Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to edit Instagram photos in Canva. So let's begin. Alright, so as you can see here that we are inside Canva dashboard. Now to edit Instagram photos, first of all we're gonna search for any template here that we can use. I'll write down Instagram photos and now you'll be able to see different templates here. Okay, so I think I would go here with the Instagram post and now I will scroll down and I think I can go here with this image and also this one is free to use. Now we'll actually click on customize this template. Alright, so now to edit the Instagram photo, we can click on our image here or the Instagram post. You can see the option of edit. Okay, so we can click on this one and we will be able to see different options here. And even in the updated version of Canva, we can also see the options which are actually powered by the AI. Okay, so you can see we have the Magic Studio, we have the filter, we have the effect, and we also have the apps as well. Okay, but right now, if I just click on the image here, all right, from here, I can actually crop the image if I wanted to. You can see that we also have the different aspect ratios here. So if I click on any one of these, I can actually change aspect ratio of this particular image that we have inside our main image. And even though I can also do the rotation of this, so this is how it can actually work. So I'm going to cancel this out. Similarly, if I wanted to flip the image, we can also do this. I'm going to click on the main image. Now I'm going to flip this out horizontally. Okay, so I think we are picking the background image here. So let's pick the main one here. Now let's just click on flip. I can do the horizontal flip here and I can also do the vertical flips here as well. Okay. And even though we have the background remover, since our image does not have the attached background, so this feature is not going to work on this one. But on the normal image, if I click on this one, we can click on background remover. You will be able to see we have removed the background of the image. Okay. But this is actually the part of Pro version. So if you don't have the Pro version, you won't be able to use that. Similarly, I can also add the text and I can also edit my font style here. If I wanted to change the font style, I can simply change this from here. We can change the size of this. We can also change the color of this. Let's see if I go here with this color, we can also do that. And if I wanted to make this look bold, italic, and you can also see the other text formatting options here. All right. And if I click on the main image here, I would click on the edit now. And now you will be able to see the filters. So in the filters, I can apply any of these filters here, whichever I want. If I wanted to go here with, let's say, black and white image, I would go here with this one maybe, or maybe this one. So I'm going to go here with this one. All right. Now I would go back. Similarly, we have this other effects. We have the shadows, we have the dew tone, we have the blur, and you can also see the autofocus and face retouch. If I wanted to blur the image, I can also blur the image here as well. So let's go here with the whole image and I would increase the intensity here. You can see I can actually blur the image here as well. So now we're going to go back and I think this is looking good. Okay, so these Magic Studio features are actually the features of AI, but these are actually the part of Pro version. So we cannot actually use them in the free version of Canva. Okay, and we also have the click. So click is actually powered by Canva AI. So if I click on the image here, again, I can go inside the edges. I can also apply Magic Eraser, grab and edit, but unfortunately, these are the part of Pro version. We'll jump into the adjust. Now in here, I can actually change the different values of the image from temperature to the clarity to the saturation or the vibrance of the image. All right. So this is how we can actually edit the Instagram photo in Canva. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.